Nagsalita na ang unang ginang Lisa Marcos tungkol sa pinag-uusapang viral video kung saan kinuha niya ang wine glass ni Senate President Chis Escudero, ininuman at binalik din sa kanya. Ano naman kaya ang kanyang naging paliwanag at bakit tila sinasabi nilang puro kasinungalingan lang ang alam ng unang ginang? Dahil maliwanag naman daw na hindi naman bumuka ang bibig ni Chis maging ang kanyang bibig. If truth to be told, here's what happened. At 10 a.m. yesterday, after greeting 82 ambassadors and other international organization representatives over an hour, Bong and I entered the ceremonial hall and we ushered to where Senate President Chis Escudero, Martin Romualdez were standing. When Chis saw me, he said, "Wow, bilib din ako sa iyo. May energy ka pa after standing and smiling for over an hour. I'm sure you could use a drink." I laughed and said, "You bet." And so I mischievously got his glass of champagne, took a sip and told him, "Ew, hindi naman malamig ang champagne mo." After that, I gave his champagne glass back to him and then we both had a good laugh over that. I think the entire exchange took all of 10 seconds. I've known Cheese since my law school days. He studied in UP and I went to Ateneo. We've been friends for like forever. So whatever I made him a waiter and or he responded like a gentleman is between us. Naniniwala ba kayo sa statement ng unang ginang? Ang sabi ng iba ay hindi naman nakita na bumuka ang kanyang bibig para masabi lahat ng mga sinasabi nila sa isa't isa. Kaya naman mas lalong nagalit pa ang maraming kritiko ng administrasyon dahil sa halip na magsabi na lang ng totoo ay kasinungalingan pa ang tila lumalabas na statement.